Is your scalp dry, itchy, flaky, or just constantly uncomfortable, and every shampoo just never works and somehow makes things even worse? Don't panic, you're not alone. In this video, I will be breaking down the best pro shampoos to cure a dry, itchy scalp from top brands like Olaplex, L'Oreal, and Paul Mitchell. Stay tuned until the end of my pro washing tips that I actually use on my clients who desperately need hydration. Links to purchase all products shown in today's video are available in the links pasted in the description below, with international shipping available. A dry, itchy scalp can be one of the most frustrating hair problems. So surely there is one size fits all solution available, right? Unfortunately, not. You see, the problem is a lot of people are actually attempting to treat the wrong issue. So let's go back to basics. There are a range of causes of dry, itchy, or flaky scalp. These typically include dandruff, product buildup, irritation, or even the way you're washing your hair. This is perhaps why one shampoo can work wonders for one person and do absolutely nothing for someone else. Life is just unfair like that. So before rushing to spend one more wasted dollar on yet another ineffective solution, let's figure out what's really going on here and select the right product for you. I'm Celine, pro hairstylist at Cosmetic World in North America, here to guide you through common questions in the hair care and hair coloring world. Today we're talking about something I get asked about all the time. What should I do if I have a dry, itchy scalp? And unfortunately, this topic often sends people into a spiral, leading them to search for things like best shampoo for dry, itchy scalp, best shampoo for flaky scalp, or how to get rid of itchy scalp, which leads to an endless amount of competing opinions and not helpful. So let's keep it simple in this tutorial so that you never have to Google the answer again. Just before we get started, I would like to quickly run through our disclaimer. If your scalp is extremely red, painful, bleeding, developing thick patches, or you're noticing a lot of hair shedding along with itching, that's when I say it's time to get it checked by a professional. Cosmetic World's tutorial are for information purposes only and should not be treated as a medical advice, right? Let's get back into the video. So the first thing we need to clear up is that dry scalp and dandruff are not always the same thing, but they do have some common qualities. Both can cause itching, flakiness, and can make your scalp feel irritated, but the reason causing them can be different, which is why selecting the right shampoo is the key to a positive outcome. Let me break it down for you. If you have a dry scalp, the flakes are usually smaller, lighter, and drier. Your scalp may feel tight, especially after washing, and it often gets worse in the colder weather, or if you're using something harsh in your wash routine. If it's dandruff, the flakes are usually a little bigger, sometimes oilier, and the scalp may feel itchy even though the problem isn't necessarily dryness. Making this distinction matters more than people realize, because if you treat dandruff in the same way as dryness, you can end up stuck in the same cycle for years. That's why some people frequently use moisturizing shampoo and still don't get any relief. They think they need more hydration when what they really need is something more targeted for scalp imbalance or flakiness. And if you're into hair care tips like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media, because we regularly post new tutorials to help you deal with common hair issues. Now let's discuss what causes a dry, itchy scalp. One of the biggest culprits is using a shampoo with harsh formulation. If your shampoo strips your scalp every time you wash, your scalp is going to react. It can start feeling tight, itchy, and uncomfortable pretty quickly. For sensitive scalp, we would recommend avoiding any sulfates, silicones, and parabens in your shampoo of choice. Another common cause is washing too often, especially with very hot water. A lot of people don't realize how dehydrating hot water can be on the scalp. Then there's product buildup. Dry shampoo, hairspray, oils, styling creams, even shampoo that have not been rinsed out properly. All of that can deposit onto the scalp, making it feel itchy and irritated. Weather can also play a big role. In colder months, dry air and indoor heating can leave your scalp feeling way more dehydrated than usual. Always keep your internal space at balanced humidity to protect your scalp. Those with more sensitive scalp reacts negatively to fragrance, heavy formulas, or certain ingredients. So the scalp becomes itchy even when dryness isn't the only problem. This is why the best shampoo is not always the most moisturizing one. It's about using something that is best for you. We're all different. Sometimes what your scalp needs most is soothing. Sometimes it needs balancing. Sometimes it just needs a break from buildup. As a professional hairstylist, I'm not fooled by marketing jargon on the back of the packaging, and neither should you. I always start by assessing my client's scalp to find clues about what it really needs and discussing with them what has not worked in the past. If your scalp feels dry, tight, or sensitive, I usually go for something gentle, soothing, and hydrating. You want a formula that keeps the scalp calm, not the one that leaves it feeling squeaky or strip away. If your issue is more flaky and persistent, then I'd start looking for more anti-flake or scalp balancing shampoos. And if there's obvious buildup involved, then an occasional clarifying shampoo can help, but only if you use it carefully and sparingly to avoid the pitfalls I previously mentioned. So the goal here is not just to wash your hair. The goal is to rebalance the scalp without stripping off its natural oils. If you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to begin, then listen carefully, as I will be revealing my top shampoos based on the specific cost of your dry scalp, before moving on to my pro washing tips to get the most out of your bottle. First, for a sensitive, uncomfortable dry scalp, a great option here is the L'Oreal Professional Scalp Advanced Anti-Discomfort Shampoo. This is a kind of shampoo I'd recommend if your scalp feels tight, irritated, or just generally uncomfortable. It is a good choice if you want something that feels gentle and calming, but still cleans the hair properly. Another really nice option is the Paul Mitchell Clean Beauty Scalp Therapy Shampoo. This is great if you want something scalp focused that still feels clean and fresh without feeling too strong or medicated. It's nice pick for someone dealing with mild dryness, sensitivity, or the constant uncomfortable feeling on the scalp. But if your scalp is not just dry, you're actually seeing flakes, the next category is probably going to make a lot of sense for you. Next, for visible flakes and recurring itch, a good option is the Madine Medidan Anti-Flake Shampoo. This is a nice option if your scalp is flaky and irritated, but you still want something that feels more manageable and not overly harsh. It's meant to help with flaking and itching, which makes it a good step up from just using a regular moisturizing shampoo. Another strong option is the Renee Forteur Neopure Scalp Balancing Shampoo for dry, flaky scalp. This one makes a lot of sense if your flaking keeps coming back and your scalp feels uncomfortable on a regular basis. And here's something important. If you're using anti-flake shampoo, don't just throw it on and rinse it out right away. You want to let it sit for a bit so it actually has time to do its job. A lot of people skip this step and then assume the product doesn't work. Next, for oily roots but an itchy scalp, I'd recommend something like the Moroccan Oil Scalp Balancing Shampoo. Makes a lot of sense. This is a really good option if your scalp feels irritated but you also don't want something too rich or heavy weighing your hair down. It helps cleanse while still keeping the scalp feeling comfortable. If you also deal with a lot of buildup from styling products or dry shampoo, you could occasionally use the Olaplex No. 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. Now, I want to be really clear on this. I would not use a clarifying shampoo every wash if your scalp is already dry or irritated. Clarifying can help. Used too often, it can backfire fast. So think of it as an occasional reset, not your everyday shampoo. And if your hair is also color treated or damaged, that changes what I'd recommend too. And lastly, for a dry, itchy scalp with color treated or damaged hair, you need a shampoo that supports your scalp without making the rest of your hair feel worse. One really good option is Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. This is great if your hair needs softness and moisture, especially if it's color treated. It gives more nourishing feel without being too aggressive. Another excellent choice is Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This one is especially nice if your hair has been through bleaching, heat styling, or chemical services. It works well when the hair needs support, but you still want something gentle enough for a more sensitive scalp. And then there's Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo, which is great choice if your hair feels dry, brittle, or rough and you want more softness overall. Now let's move on to my pro washing tips for effectively treating your dry, itchy scalp, as well as a common mistake to avoid. If you're using an anti-flake shampoo, don't just throw it on and rinse it out right away. You want to let it sit for a bit so it actually has time to do its job. A lot of people skip that step and then assume the product doesn't work. Sometimes the issue isn't the shampoo, it's the way it's being used. That's the harsh reality. Technique matters more than people think. Sometimes shampoo itself is perfectly fine, but the way someone is washing their hair keeps the scalp irritated. First, use your fingertips, never your nails. Second, avoid super hot water. Third, rinse really well. And when it comes to conditioner, keep it to mostly the mid-lengths and ends. Avoid the scalp. So if you've been trying to figure out the best shampoo for dry, itchy scalp, hopefully this tutorial makes your life easier. Now, let's remind ourselves of our checklist revealed earlier. A dry and sensitive scalp, go for soothing and hydrating formulations. Flakiness, use anti-flake or scalp balancing shampoos. Build up, clarify once in a while. Color treated or damaged hair, find a shampoo that supports both your scalp and your hair. All of the products that I used today from Olaplex, L'Oreal, and others mentioned are available at www.cosmeticworld.ca with international shipping available, so we can reach you at your home or directly to the salon. We also stock a range of professional hair colors and developers, hair care tools, and as well as Korean skincare. Follow us on our social media channels for the latest special offers and new product releases. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more professional hair tutorials. See you next time!